This cabin was originally built in the 1920s, and we named it the Radfern cabin after two families that occupied the cabin from 1960 to 1989. And this isn't the original footprint of the cabin. Didn't have the porch here. We added the porch. It was kind of a shotgun style, just I think it's a 14 by 30 or so. And there was a bedroom added in the 60s that we have since remodeled as well. We're trying to finish up all the work here and get this available for friends and family and guests if they want to rent it. And it's just a one bedroom. This siding originally came off an old barn in Paso Robles, 100 years old. It was the roof. And this is, we just finished this up. I made a little video of this. And this is the main living area. We're gonna do a kitchen here on this side, and then living room area there. In the bedroom, I did this floor out of Buckeye, and it's end grains of Buckeye. Took me forever to get it done, so I gotta still sand it. I'm just filling it now. And this is the living room hardwood floor, which is a maple hardwood floor that we salvaged from a buddy of mine who's had stored it for, gosh, almost 60 years. It's been sitting in his barn. And then this week we're working on the bathroom with some more salvaged goods. This is T&G Doug fir that we pulled out of our main house floor when we had to do a remodel. So we're getting started on that. And hopefully I'll be tiling the shower in the next couple weeks. And this is the original fireplace to this cabin here. Or stove, I guess it is, not a fireplace. Old Montgomery Ward stove. But it's in great shape, so we're gonna put it back in. Then we'll have a deck off of this slider here, and then it overlooks the creek. And it's a great project, a lot of fun, because it's a beautiful cabin, a beautiful location. And then on this black wall here, we're putting up the lath from old lath and plaster walls I salvaged, and I'm going to put it vertically. So it's going to be heavy on wood, and we also have an old tree trunk that we're going to put here that kind of separates the kitchen from the living room. So it's heavy on wood and kind of an eclectic feel, but we're really happy with the way it's going so far. We used all the old 1x12s that we salvaged from other buildings, so it had an old feel to it. And coupled with the siding, we're really happy with the old style it kind of portrays, I guess.